We are setting up the Tudomro 9-piece groovy hippie boho party set. So these are a super fun, colorful, kind of retro themed party decoration. Great for, say, on your tables or centerpieces, or maybe even as a photo booth prop. So they come all assembled here, but they are very quick and easy to assemble. Here's just a quick look at all the designs you get. So 9 pieces in total. And then for the base of them, you will have to set it up. So you want to pull this little sticky tab here, and that will be 1/2 of the centerpiece. And then you'll have to put one on the other side as well. So 2 of these go on each little display piece. Really just takes a moment, and they are nice and sticky. I didn't have any problems with them not sticking. You just want to get them lined up correctly. That was my first attempt, and then as I went and did more, I found it easier and easier. But really pretty color selection. Check them out.